So welcome back guys, this is Ritz, ang tana sa likod ng Cabalas Official Channel, and I welcome you all sa ating new videos for today. And yung topic natin ngayon is understanding the fees and charges with your Landbank credit card. Okay, so mga MasterCard Classic holder and MasterCard Gold holder. If even though you're beginner or holder na po kayo, so ito po yung updated na mga fees with Landbank. Okay? So but before that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kabul's official channel. Of course, share this video to your family and friends para ma-inform po sila. Okay, so let's do this one guys. So for our last video guys, ginawa natin yung pag-open o pag-registered with Landbank credit card sa online. Okay? So, ginawa natin step by step yung video na yon. So, para makuha natin yung mga timpla on how to apply credit card in Landbank through online. Okay, so ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung mga charges and fees with Landbank para ma-understand natin ng fully and how to compute with monthly effective interest rate para sa Landbank. Okay? So, wag po kayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Just be with me until the end of the video kasi meron tayong mga i-share rin ng mga tips and tricks para sa inyo para hindi tayo magka ano-ano niyan sa ating Landbank credit card. Okay? So let's start with our discussions. Okay? So understanding the fees and charges with your Landbank credit card. Okay? So alam mo naman natin lahat guys, pagdating sa credit card, napakaganda po yung benefits nun. Isa na yung mga rewards, points, and nakapagbayad ng mga airline tickets through international. So that's really good thing. But definitely yung responsibility ng pagbayad ng credit card is our own hands talaga. Okay? So, ngayon, pag-uusapan natin yung dalawang credit card sa Landbank. Ito yung maganda na in-offer ni Landbank guys sa Mastercard Classic and Mastercard Gold. So pag-uusapan na first na fees which is annual membership fee. Okay, so pag Classic holder po kayo, meron pong 1,000 pesos po yan and supplementary 250 pesos. And then pag Mastercard Gold holder po kayo, meron po kayong 2,500 pesos na babayaran annually and of course 1,000 pesos supplementary. Okay? So, yung annual membership guys, pwede po siyang ma-waive. Paano? Okay? Kunyari, meron kayong nag-gain na points sa pagbili nyo sa Gaisano, sa mga mall, di ba? Kunyari, meron kayong madaming points nun. Pwede nyo i-waive up yung mga fees na yun. Instead na kukunin nyo yung bayad or magre-rebates kayo, pwede nyo lang sabihan sa teller na i-waive nyo yung fee ng 1,000 per month o 2,500 per month sa Mastercard nyo para wala na kayong babayaran na annual fee. So nakalas na po kayo nun. So yun po yung gawain ng mga kaibigan ko at ginagawa po nila yan. Okay? So para hindi na magbabayad ng annual fee. Just inform the teller guys na gusto nyo i-waive from points to your annual membership fee and then you're good to go. So nakatipid na kayo, wala na kayong babayaran for the annual membership fee. Okay? So make sure then na inform yung teller o di kaya saan kayo nag-registered na bangko o nag-open ng credit card line sa parte ng Pilipinas. Okay? So meron yung allotted na information punan and then it depends on them na kung pwede i-accept nila yung pag-waive ng points kung um, approved ba o hindi. Okay? So, that's really one of good things, guys, para hindi tayo makabayad ng annual fee. Medyo malaki-laki na rin yun, 1,000 tsaka 2,500. And the next one also, guys, we have monthly effective interest rate. Okay? So, ito yung binabayad natin na 3%, guys, na babayaran natin. Kunyari, hindi tayo nakabayad ng ano, guys, ng interest rate, yung kunyari, meron tayong allotted 40,000 pesos sa land bank natin, di ba? And then, hindi natin mabayaran yung 40,000 within the month. Okay? So, 3% po yung papatong nila sa inyo. Okay? Yung computation, i-compute lang yun with 3%. And yun lang yung patong nila with your monthly effective interest rate. Okay? So, 3% po yan. And then, yung cash advance fee naman, 5% of amount withdrawn. Okay? Kung yung nag-withdraw kayo ng 40,000, 5% po ng 40,000, yan po yung papataw nila sa inyo. Yan po yung cash advance fees, di ba? And then penalty, yung kanina is monthly effective interest rate. Kunyari hindi kayo nakabayad for month, meron pang pinapatong sila another fees na naman, which is late payment penalty. Okay? So yung late payment penalty is 2.25% based on the minimum amount due date. Okay? So pag 12,000 yung due date minimum, guys, um, the rate amount of 12,000 times 2.25%, yun po yung babayaran nyo na additional charge every day na hindi kayo makapagbayad. So, napaka ano talaga, kaya huwag kayong magpa-late na ng charge o magbayad sa ano guys, sa credit card na bills nyo. Okay? So, I didn't recommend also with cash advance fee kasi medyo malaki siya kasi 5%, ano na yun eh, medyo masakit na sa bulsa, di ba? So it's not good to cash advance fee kasi 5% of amount withdrawn. So it's not good as well. So maganda yung credit card and pag-uusapan natin yung mga advantages for a credit card. Okay, so dito muna tayo focus. And yung sales slip retrieval fee, 350 pesos. And then yung card, kunyari nawala yung card sa wallet nyo, babayad lang kayo ng 300 pesos guys. And then yung foreign exchange guys, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo dati na kailangan yung meron kayong Mastercard Foreign Currency Conversion Rate Plus. Meron yan. So nakarang video natin, pinakita ko yung website ng Mastercard. So wala po silang Visa conversion rate. Sa foreign exchange, meaning to say, kung magkano yung pera nun, and then kasi merong apat na credit card network kasi yan guys. Si Mastercard, si Visa, si Amex, tsaka si Discover. So applicable lang dito sa Pilipinas is Mastercard tsaka si Visa. Okay? Si Amex tsaka si Discover sa US lang po siya. Okay? So since usually naman Mastercard tsaka Visa is being accepted worldwide, okay na po siya guys. So walang problema yan. So better also to have two cards with Mastercard tsaka Visa. Kunyari, travel kayo ng Hong Kong, Singapore, Thailand. Meron kasi mga countries guys na hindi nag-accept ng Mastercard. Visa lang sila. Meron din countries na Visa lang, wala silang Mastercard. So kung magta-travel kayo, then beginner pa kayo dito sa credit card na laro, okay, it's better especially if you like traveling from one country to another, after this, what's happening with the world, okay? So, mas maganda na rin yung may backup kayo na mga cards, okay? So, that's foreign exchange rate. So, kung gusto nyo malaman yung website ng foreign exchange rate, better to watch the old videos na ginawa natin para malaman nyo yung video ng foreign exchange rate, okay? So, next one also, we have conversion rate. So, that's 2% assessment with service fees, okay? That's 2%. And then installment fee, pre-termination fee, which is 5%. And then 300 kung sino yung mataas pag-calculate dito. Yun yung sinasabi natin na kunyari guys, 12,000 yung buong babayaran nyo sa credit card nyo, and then due date na po siya nung mga upcoming due date na po siya upcoming days, okay? So hindi po kayo makabayad, pero pwede po kayong pre-installment termination fee na 5%. Kumbaga, installment lang yung babayaran nyo with credit card, allowed po yan. And then meron silang fees na kailangan bayaran. Ita-times na lang yung 5%. Kung maliit lang yung 5% sa total amount ng babayaran nyo, automatic default na babayaran nyo na i-charge 300 pesos with Landbank. Okay? So, kunyari, ita-times ng monthly minimum fee rate na sa Landbank, guys, is 5%. Kunyari, na ano siya ng 295 lang. So, automatic po siya magiging 300 pesos na i-charge na Landbank. Okay? So, kung sino yung mataas, 300 ba o 5% sa calculation po niya. Okay? So, yung return check fees is 500 pesos, and then statement reprinting fees 100 pesos, and minimum amount of MAD, that is some following 3%, understanding balance is less installment amount. If any, that's 200 pesos whichever is higher. O sabi ko nga kanina, parehas lang siya ng computation dito guys. So installment as well as amount and overdue amount. The same here, guys. We have, if with over limit in the MAD will be sum of 3% credit card limit, installment amount, if any, 200 pesos, whichever is higher, that's the same as well. And then here is the computation with monthly interest finance charge, guys. So the formula for it, guys, is monthly interest, transaction amount, number of days times interest rate, and 12 months and then 365 days. Okay? So that is the commutation. For example, meron kayong 5,000 pesos na transaction fees and then the posting date is January 22 and then statement date is Feb 15. The number of days for it is 25 days and then interest rates per month is 3% lang. Okay? So monthly interest niya guys is 5,000. Yan yung 5,000 dito. And then 25 days lang, and then times your 3% times 12, okay? And then over 365 days, that's equivalent 123.28 pesos. Okay? So, yan po yung additional na babayaran nyo with monthly interest na 3%. Okay? So, dito guys, pag-uusapan natin yung benefits din. So, let's gonna recap the benefits for credit card. Alam nyo guys, maganda yung credit card kasi ang daming benefits po niyan. Okay? Lalong-lalo pag gold membership kayo o class, gold maganda talaga kasi parang premium siya. Okay? So, sa credit card naman, yung benefits niya is wala na kayong dadalhin na madaming pera, nasa card lang. And then, pagkatapos niyan, merong madaming rewards. Okay? So, natalakay natin yung reward nung unang videos. Kunyari, sa sa airline, sa gas station, sa drugstore, and then yung mga points, good amount of purchase, ang dami pong mga rewards niyan. Okay? So, also, there are three credit card network na tinalakay natin kanina. And yung limit lang, depende po yan sa actual amount na income nyo. So, magdi-differ po yan. So, si teller na po magbibigay kung magkano po yung limit ng credit card pwede nyo gamitin within your card. Okay? So, So that is really the advantage for credit card. And make sure be responsible when using credit card, guys. Napakaganda po yung opportunity with credit card. If you are an entrepreneur, guys, this is really one of the best. Either Landbank or any banks in the Philippines, just try to have research kung anong klaseng fit or goal na gusto nyo makuha. May iba naman kasi na gusto mag-travel ng travel, so airline po, doon kayo sa airline. And then meron ding for business, so rewards for payment for suppliers, cashback rewards, di ba? So it depends on your goal, guys. Credit card is really the best partner sa ating lahat. Lalong-lalo 'pag ginawa o naging responsible po tayo sa paggamit nito and nagiging maganda po siya. Napakaganda po niyang benefits and then parang umutang lang kayo sa bangko na sarili niyong pera, of course, and then magagamit niyo po siya, then meron pa kayong rewards as well, 'di ba? So, nagkakaroon lang siya ng ano, ng fear with Filipino mindset kasi alam natin sa Pilipinas, swipe ng swipe lang as long as merong laman, 'di ba? So, let's try to have since modern days na po tayo ngayon and then lahat ng info makukuha natin tulad ng panonood ng YouTube channel na ganito, meron tayong mga financial literacy, basic literacy para ma-aware tayo kung anong mga klaseng mga kailangan gawin para mag-improve yung buhay natin sa araw-araw. Okay? So, I think that's all, guys. We covered all of this kind of stuff. Thank you so much sa lahat na nanonood. And of course, kung meron kayong questions, just don't hesitate to comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Kabalo's official channel. And have a great day, guys. Thank you so much. And for the next, have a great day. Bye-bye.